Okay, folks, yes, I am back. This is Wesley Virgin. Listen, this video is titled How You Can Reprogram, okay, your subconscious mind without effort. I mean, easily. Okay, I can't believe I'm doing this video here because I do sell a course. And actually, in that course, I talk more about this. But I say, you know what? There's going to be people online like you who really want to understand how to reprogram their mind so they get more money. Okay. All right. So listen, I'm gonna get right into it. Do you mind? I don't want to waste a lot of time. Listen, here we go. And yes, I said without effort. Okay. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step, if you listen, how to recondition and reprogram your subconscious mind without effort. Now listen, before we get started, you have to understand what the subconscious mind is, okay? What is your subconscious mind? Listen, we have two minds. The conscious mind, that's the mind you're using right now to listen to me, okay? That's the mind right now that you're noticing and paying attention to what I'm saying, okay? But you have another part of you, which is the subconscious part of you. That's the part of you that knows that I'm wearing a black shirt, okay? That's the part of you that knows that my hair is snappy. It's the part of you that right now, your heart is beating. Boom, boom. Wait. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. So the thing is, you didn't think about that consciously until I brought it to your awareness. Well, that's your subconscious mind. And I'm going to explain this like I'm speaking to a third grader, okay? I'm not saying that you're a third grader, but I'm gonna make it very simple and less complex. The conscious mind is what you're doing right now. You're listening to me. You may be saying, Wesley, get to the point. What is this guy doing, right? Two, the unconscious part of you are things that are happening outside your awareness, okay? Now listen, the subconscious mind, listen, some of you gonna get pissed off. Think about how much money you have in your bank account. Well, that's your subconscious mind, okay? Think about the car that you drive. Your subconscious mind made that selection for you, okay? Think about who you married to. You might say, no, Wesley, I hate them. Shh. Think about your boyfriend, girlfriend. Think about where you stay. Think about your job. Think about your educational background. Whatever. Everything about you, okay, is stemmed from the unconscious part of you. Now the question is this: how can you change it? And how can you change it without effort? You can do this. I swear to God, I'm gonna show you right here in this video. Now understand, it's many ways to do that, and I'll leave a link below, okay, if you want to get more ways. But in this video, I'm gonna show you the most powerful way that took me, honestly, I'm gonna be honest, when I was in my 20s, I was screwed up. I filed bankruptcy. I've been in jail a few times. I used to write bad checks. I made bad grades. I dropped out of college, and I also got kicked out of the military. So my life was piss poor, okay? But when I started to master this information here as it relates to the subconscious part of me, I didn't understand that I had two minds, right? I had desires, I had wants, but nothing was working out. Now, here's the technique, and I'm gonna let you go, okay? Much love. You're gonna love me. Watch this. It's something that is called sleep learning. Do you know what sleep learning is? Okay, that's better. Sleep learning. You see that bed right there? That's a nice bed. It's a beautiful bed here. I spent a couple of grand with that bed here. Now, sleep learning is when you're giving yourself subliminal messages while you're sleeping at night. Now, understand something about sleep. Okay, and I'm not going to get too deep into the brain waves. Like you have alpha, write this down, beta, theta, and delta. Okay, that your brain is constantly going in between throughout your day. Many of you right now, you're in beta. Okay, now I explain more of that in my course, but listen, and you can get it now. But listen, okay, when you're sleeping in your bed, there's a moment where your mind goes into a state that's called theta, okay? That's when you close your laptop, you get off your phone, right? And you start to sleep. Your mind goes into theta state. Now listen, in between theta and delta, it's a great opportunity for you to reprogram your mind. Now, what do I mean by that? Listen, this is what I did when I was on that air mattress years ago. Poor, broke, nothing, destitute, right? Listen, I can't believe I'm sharing this, but listen. I took my iPhone, okay? I recorded a memo, right? And the memo said this: I am wealthy. I am abundant. I am rich. Everything works out in my favor. I currently earn $5,000 per day easily and effortlessly. So what I did is I used my iPhone. I created a memo, okay? A recording basically, that when I was asleep, when I was done with all the work for today, right? When I got off the computer, got off the phone, I would take my phone and I would connect it to Alexa. See, Alexa's right there. Alexa, shut up. Does that make sense? And while I was sleeping, listen here, I was listening to subliminal messages. That was just me. No one else, it was me. So when I was going to sleep, I would say, I am wealthy. I am rich. I am great. I am powerful. I am confident. Because at that time, my self-esteem was low. At that time, I didn't have as much confidence that I have here today. And I will listen to all the messages and I will listen to all the suggestions that I wanted to believe. And listen, let me show you something. Look. How difficult it is to lay in your bed. I don't care if you're on the floor. Okay, look at me. You, slap you. Listen, lay on your bed, on the floor, on your air mattress. Take 5 minutes, okay? Record your voice and just give yourself commands. A command is this: anything that you want to believe about yourself, say it. Like if you don't believe that you're wealthy, say I am wealthy. If you don't believe that you're a confident person, say I am confident. If you want a successful business, say I now have a successful business. Okay? On the recording. And all you do right before bed, you play it and you sleep like a baby like this. And you're going to hear those suggestions over and over again. And the great thing about this, teenagers can do this in your 20s, 30s, 40s. It doesn't matter. It's powerful. Why? Because when your mind is in theta state right before delta, okay, this is the point where your mind is very suggestible. This is the reason why you can watch a movie for 2 hours. Listen, you can watch a movie, right, for 2 hours, and you'll remember the entire movie if I asked you how it was. Hey, tell me what happened. You'll tell me everything. But if I asked you to read a book like Think and Grow Rich, okay? If I asked you to buy a program like The Genie Script or Overnight Millionaire, I say, hey, what happened in that book? You'd be like, what did they say in chapter 3? I don't know, something about desire. But when you watch a movie, okay, you're able to repeat back everything that took place, which means is your brain was in a moment of theta. Theta is when your brain cycles slow down, like now, and you start to absorb everything that you hear as if it's your experience. It's powerful. This is why I'm so rich, baby. This is why everything listen, I'm gonna share a secret and I'm gonna let you guys go. Like I do this for everything, even like skin. Like at one point in time I had bad skin. Okay, my skin looking good now, right? But I used to manifest good skin. I said my skin is looking good and vibrant, it's radiant. I swear to God, like I still do this today. Even when I work out, I say my workouts are strong, they're powerful, and they're easy. Right? And come on now, you see those muscles, baby. This is another affirmation that I say I'm now young, I'm rich, I'm profitable, I'm phenomenal, and people love me like you. People love me. Okay? Every night, I have Alexa, she plays it for me. And while I'm sleeping, I'm learning and I'm receiving those suggestions. I love you. Hey, look at me. I love you, and I love you enough for you to smash that like button. If you got any value, comment below. Listen, if you have any questions, I'm here to serve you. I want to help you manifest your dreams. I'm manifesting mine. Okay? I've mastered this information. And mastering information, you understand that you're continually mastering the information here. You can comment below, ask me questions below, okay? Or you can just smash the like button and say, Wesley, thank you for this free value. Now listen, I have a course. If you want the course, get it. If you don't, it's all good. But I deep dive into this stuff because I love it, because it works. It's powerful. And this is why I'm always in my bed and I'm making millions and millions of dollars relaxing, okay? I'm fit, I'm healthy, and I got this great smile, baby. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin! Let's go!